Hello, my name is Mark Blocker. In this segment we're going to cover cutting steel tubing. Okay, the best way to perform this task is by using a steel tubing cutter. And what it does is it uses a cutting wheel, and by you manually rotating around the steel tubing, it will thus cut the tube. And it does so relatively effortlessly, and it does a real clean job. If you used to try and cut it using a hacksaw, it's going to give you a real rough serrated edge that you're going to have to deal with. And there's also the possibility of collapsing or damaging the tubing, preventing you from using some of the different types of sealing devices. So I'll give you a quick demonstration. Just open up the cutting tube, or the tubing cutter, a little wider than steel. Got a scrap piece of steel tubing here, and I'm just going to adjust the wheel down until the cutting wheel makes contact with the steel tubing. Once we've gotten to that point, I'm going to give it about a half a turn. Then I'll make 1 to 2 rotation till it's free. Give it another half a turn tighter. Continue rotating a couple turns. Another half a turn tighter. Following this procedure, repeat as necessary until the tubing's cut. Voila. The one thing you want to remember while using the tubing cutter is you want to make sure that you hold it straight. You don't want to tilt it to either side because the cutting heads on the tubing cutters are hardened steel and very brittle. They break easily. That's how you cut steel tubing.